in the determination of the criminal defamation charges brought by the police against rights activist Mr. Dele Farotimi over the complaint lodged by elder statesman Chief Afe Babalola. Afe Babalola SAN had considered aspects of the 104-page book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice, authored by Farotimi, as defaming him and petitioned the police to take action. Afenifere, in a statement by his National Publicity Secretary, Mr. Jare Ajayi, said, the legal system provides an opportunity for parties in a dispute to prove their cases. Afenifere is of the strong opinion that the interests of both parties and the general public must be protected and justice dispensed fairly. The court is in the best position to determine how these interests are protected and to ensure that the prosecution is conducted in a manner that better serves the interest of justice. Afenifere urges all parties to avoid statements and actions that may lead to a breach of peace, while calling on governments to ensure a total observance of the rule of law. Afenifere is of the view that the appropriate forum to determine whose rights have been breached and how is the court of law as established by our constitution, meaning that the matter is presently where it ought to be to enable all parties to prove their case. We enjoin all parties to conduct themselves in total submission to and respect for the rule of law. What do you make of this saga between Babalola and Farotimi?
I stand solidly as the immovable rock of Gibraltar with the statement of the Afenifere. Some people were saying they were going to protest in London, in America, in Nigeria, here and that. I see that one as not necessary, because the matter is no longer in the police. If the matter is still in the police, we can say, okay, this protest and other things, they may be called that it will turn to civil unrest, and because of that, police will release the person and let the person go. And when the police will release the person and let the person go, they will just advise that the matter should be moved from police to the court. But now the matter is in court. Dele Farotimi has done what Afe Babalola called defamation of character. As it stands now, I take it as defamation of character. But it won't be a defamation of character if Dele Farotimi will come out with the points to buttress the publication of the book. If he has proofs of all the allegations against Afe Babalola, what do you think the court will do? No matter the position of Afe Babalola is not bigger than the law will do justice. But it becomes a defamation of character if Dele Farotimi at the end of the day, before the court of law, could not prove all those allegations. So now, that is what the Afenifere is the second most powerful group in the southwest, apart from Pan-Yoruba, that's the Yoruba Council of Elders. Both Baba Babalola and Dele Farotimi, they are sons of Yorubas. And to me, they might even make Dele Farotimi, if Dele Farotimi do not have any proof, they might make him to go and tender apology to Afe Babalola and tell him to publish another book that be well circulated, and tell the world again that all those things I wrote was an error, was a mistake. This will end the matter. The matter should remain in court, and I don't think there should be any protest. I don't think there should be any leadership intervention. except the Yoruba Council of Elders, the Afenifere and others, if they could talk to Afe Babalola and tell Afe Babalola to withdraw the case from court and tell Dele Farotimi to globally apologize and denounce all those allegations. Let the matter be in court. I wish Dele Farotimi every best. I wish Afe Babalola every best. Afe Babalola is one of the pride of this country, particularly of the Yoruba extraction of the Southwest. We wouldn't want anything that would damage the image of that man. If by his stature in Yoruba land, if anything damage him now, it will affect the Yoruba name globally. I wouldn't want that. But that does not make him, because of his figure, that does not make him to be bigger than the law. If he has committed all those things Dele Farotimi allege, the court will pronounce. And at the end of the day, Dele Farotimi can in turn sue him to court based on that. Or write allegation, petition against him to the EFCC and others. So the matter is before the court. Let us see if Dele Farotimi will be able to prove his allegations. And let us wait for the judgment of the court.
But it appears that
if there is judgment, true judgment of the court, if it favors Dele Farotimi, good. If it favors Afe Babalola, good.
It appears that Nigerians have taken a stand, and it appears that there has been social media courts, if I may use that. Social media courts have spoken in favor of Farotimi, and some persons are saying that the arrest and detention of Farotimi is suppression of freedom of speech.
No, I don't subscribe to that.
Okay.
Among those people that call themselves human rights activists today in this country, Dele Farotimi is one of those people I respect. I respect Dele Farotimi. I love him. But that does not mean that he should go ahead and publish a book defaming somebody's character. If he has no proof, he shouldn't have done that. And the people, everything that is happening now, I was cooking for my dogs this morning. I was cooking rice for them, and it got burnt. And the next thing I said was, hey, this government self. This government, my son said, Daddy, what is the business of this government there? I said, because I was thinking of this country. You are saying, that is how it has gotten to. No, just because we want to criticize does not make us damage another person's image and reputation. No.
All right.
So to me, I condemn those people. I love Dele Farotimi. If there's any time Dele Farotimi put anything online, whatever I am doing, I will drop it. I must listen to him. If he do any write-up, I must read it. But that does not mean that I should be blindfolded.
Okay.
Then emotionally defective to begin to support when somebody just begin to tarnish people's image. Let Dele Farotimi prove his point. If Dele Farotimi prove his point, I am going to support him in the public.
All right.
To tell the truth.
All right, very well.